Hello and welcome to the Mentor channel. Today we are tackling one of the most important tools in your career arsenal, your resume. Specifically, we will talk about how to create a resume that not only impress hiring managers but also navigates the applicant tracking system ATS that most companies use in 2025. A great resume is not just about listing your achievements, it's about presenting them in a way that gets noticed. By the end of this episode, you will know 10 steps to create a winning ATS friendly resume, backed by real life examples and actionable takeaways. Let's get started. Story number 1: the power of simplicity. Use a simple ATS friendly format. The story of Anaya, a creative professional who loved designing her resume with fancy font, graphics, and unique layouts. Unfortunately, her artistic resume never got past the ATS. Once she switched to a clean text based format with clear headings, her application started landing many interviews. So, stick to standard sections. The ATS Applicant Tracking System looks for familiar sections like experience, education, skills, and certifications. When Anaya recognized her resume to follow this structure, it became more ATS friendly. So, what is the takeaway of this particular story of Anaya? Creativity is great, but for resume, simplicity and clarity wins. So, stick to clean formats that ATS systems can easily scan. So, we can get into the story number 2. Tailor your resume for every job. Usually people send their default resume to all the jobs. No, customize your resume for each applications. Rahul, one of my student, and he is a software developer as well, sent the same generic resume to dozens of companies with no response. So, when he started tailoring his resume by incorporating specific keywords from job description, his interviews um, or his call for interviews has doubled. So, use job specific keywords. For example, if the job description lists Python programming and data visualization, make sure these exact phrases appear in your skills and experience sections. This helped Rahul get past ATS filters designed to weed out irrelevant applications. So, what is the takeaway of Rahul's story? ATS systems love keywords. Customize each resume with the terms and phrases directly from the job listing or job description. Story number 3: show, don't just tell. So, quantify your achievements. Instead of saying like I have done this, I have did this, instead of that you have to quantify it. Let's talk about Priya, a marketing specialist who wrote manage social media accounts. Her resume didn't stand out until she revised it to say increase social media engagement by 35%, resulting in 10,000 new followers in 6 months. Numbers made her accomplishment concrete and impressive. And focus on result, not just responsibilities. Instead of saying responsible for sales, write something like achieve 120% of quarterly sales target, contributing to $5,000 in revenue. The takeaway of this story is hiring managers care about results, not just duties. So, use numbers to quantify your impact and prove your value. Story number 4: the right skills at the right place. Highlight relevant skills. Talk about Michelle, an HR professional, included dozens of skills on his resume, but many were outdated or irrelevant. When he focused only on skills that match the job description, like employee onboarding, human resource information system implementation. He started getting calls from top employees. So balance hard and soft skill. For instance, combine technical skills like a JavaScript coding with soft skills like team collaboration. This ATS system and hiring managers look for both. What is the takeaway of Michelle's story? Showcase skills that are job relevant and current trend, and balance between technical and interpersonal strength. Story number 5. Make it future ready. Include certification and professional development in 2025. Stating update or updated is crucial. I will tell you about Maya. Is one of my student, a recent graduate, highlighted her free certification in data analysis and UX design from Coursera. So this showed employer that she is proactive about learning and staying relevant. So write a strong personal summary is also boosting your resume, and it will definitely detect in ATS. At the top of your resume, include a 2-line summary that clearly states your professional identity goals. For example, result driven data analyst with 3+ years of experience in predictive modeling and machine learning. So passionate about leveraging data to drive business growth. So these kind of phrases will definitely dictated by ATS. So what is the takeaway from Maya's story? Your resume is more than a list. It's your personal brand. Highlight ongoing learning and create a strong first impression with a concise summary. Let me recap this small video. So the 5 takeaways for building an ATS-friendly winning resume in 2025 are: first one, simplicity wins. Use clean professional formats that ATS system can easily read, customize and optimize. Second one, tailor your resume for each job with keywords from the job description. Third takeaway, show results. Quantify achievements with numbers to make your value clear instead of a qualitative statement. Fourth takeaway, skills matters. Focus on job relevant skills, balancing technical and soft skill. Takeaway 5, stay future ready. Highlight certification, ongoing learning and a compelling personal summary. You know that your resume is not just a document, it's your first conversation with a potential employer. Make it count by ensuring it speaks directly to both ATS system and hiring managers. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful and these tips helpful, share this episode with a friend who is job hunting, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable career advice. So the right resume opens door, builds your to be ATS friendly, result oriented and future ready. Signing off from your mentor, Dr. Arvind.